Alright, since you think you're so good, win something for me.
Okay, I will.
Okay, this game is perfect. All you need to do is break 3 plates.
Let me show you my skills in this ball throwing business.
Alright, mister.
Huh.
Huh, that's only 1. Let me see you get the other 2. 2. Okay, stop looking at me with that smirk on your face. Let me see you get the 3rd, you dork. You suck.
I'm going to try again. And I'm going to get it. You watch.
Ah, it's about to pour. Run, run.
We really didn't have to run.
But I don't want to get wet.
You know, I love the rain.
I like it too. But I'm not soaked in it.
It's relaxing. Don't you think so? I love listening to the sound of the rain. I could fall asleep to it.
Really?
Yeah. Hey.
What? Why are you looking at me like that?
It's nothing. You're blushing.
I I really, really like you.